After the initial buyer consult, your next step is going to be getting you pre-approved. Make sure to head back to one of our previous videos where I discuss everything you need to know about the buyer consult. Unless you're a cash buyer, your pre-approval is going to be your next step towards homeownership. When most clients come to me, they don't already have a working relationship with a lender, and that's perfectly fine. I have great trusted resources to streamline the home buying process. And if you do already have a lender that you know, like, and trust that you've previously worked with, we'll go ahead and get connected to open up that line of communication. As a realtor, I work hand in hand with my lending partners. They are a vital piece to the puzzle and can often make or break a deal, so it's very important that we have a solid team in place. So why is a pre-approval so important? Well, this is important for many reasons, but the most obvious is we want to see what you qualify for in a home before starting the home shopping process. This will help so when we are out looking at homes for you, you already have a heads up and idea of what price points you're comfortable with. Many lenders can offer a simple breakdown of what purchase prices translate into for monthly costs for you. Pre-approvals are also very important because when we are out house shopping and find the one for you, we want to make sure that we can draft a strong competitive offer at a moment's notice and not miss out on the perfect opportunity for you. From the seller's perspective, a pre-approval and offer letter from a reputable local lender can often make the difference of accepting the offer or rejecting the offer. The home seller wants to know with certainty that the escrow and the loan will indeed close. Oftentimes, you might hear the terms pre-qualification and pre-approval thrown around interchangeably. So what's the difference with a pre-qual versus a pre-approval? A pre-qualification is basically a simple conversation with a lender where they're giving you the green light for what they think that you can be qualified for. Again, this is just a simple conversation, so they're really only going off of what they're being told. Meanwhile, a pre-approval does require documentation, so the lender is able to go ahead and verify your assets, your income, credit score, etc. So it holds much more weight in the home buying process. If you're ready to start your home buying journey, you want to make sure to have a proper pre-approval. You will begin by completing a mortgage application, which typically takes about 5 to 10 minutes, and ask for simple information. From there, the lender will follow up with you to request the documentation I just referenced as far as W-2s, 1099s, employment status, things of that nature. Typically, as long as the documentation is provided in a promptly manner, they can turn around that pre-approval to you in 1 to 2 days. If you are self-employed or perhaps require some additional documentation, this process may take just a bit longer. Now, here are a few helpful tips to keep in mind once you're going through the pre-approval process. Pre-approvals are not guaranteed. This is a conditional offer until the actual close of escrow. So something to keep in mind is we don't want to have any job changes during this time. Don't go out and buy a new car, new furniture, take out any new lines of credit until we have that close of escrow. If you have any questions in regards to what you can or cannot do, please make sure to check in with your lender first before making any final decisions. I typically recommend that my clients shop around 2 to 3 different lenders to not only shop different loan programs, but also interest rates. The good news is credit bureaus treat multiple inquiries within a short time frame as a single inquiry, so when you're out shopping for a home loan, your credit isn't getting hit multiple times. Another helpful tip is oftentimes I like to start the pre-approval process a little bit sooner than you would think, because if there's anything that pops up, say in your debt ratios or credit scores, that gives us a little bit of time to work on those items before you're ready to purchase. And if you do need resources in order to, say, improve your credit again or your debt ratio, we have resources for that as well. Now, if you're ready to begin the pre-approval process on your home journey, make sure to reach out today, and I can't wait to connect with you.